Can your limited company pay for a home office garden in your back garden and claim the full amount as an expense? These can be quite expensive structures, upwards of 20, 30 grand to install if done professionally. So it can be a good question whether you need to claim or want to claim the VAT back on that, claim it as a capital allowance. That are the sort of questions we're getting asked. Now, the issue is if there's dual purpose of that room, then straight away it would be disallowed as an expense or a capital allowance. What you've also got the issue of is that the business owns an asset in a back garden. So whether that's your property, you mortgage it, or whether that's a rental property, that can cause issues with the legal agreements with that property. So it's not ideal really to capitalize it through the business, and it's probably a risky strategy. What you can do, however, though, is the expenses that you've used to kit out the inside solely for the office space could be claimed as an expense. So for example, your desk, your equipment, your seat, your chair, your filing cabinets, all that kind of stuff can be claimed. And then more on from that, we're looking at, can we potentially lease back that space to the business? So that would have to be done at a fair market rate. We would look at the size of the space, the hours of use, compare that to local going market rates, and then recharge that back to the business on a monthly basis. That can be a good way to get an ongoing rental cost within the company accounts. It can be tax efficient, whereby you're also not treading on thin ice with HMRC trying to argue that this home office garden is 100% business use, and also the fact that you don't have any issues with a commercial building being on your private land can also create problems. So that's the best way to do it. Let's not get in trouble with HMRC, guys.